feed these hungry Steam Deck fans. I was trying to get this video out 12 o'clock last night, but I was battling sleep. Anyway, so let me do it now. Hello, people. Another beautiful day. Yep. Hope your 5 senses work, health, and strength is good or excellent. What? All right, now for you Steam Deck investigators, this update is especially for you. We're talking about overclocking the Steam Deck LCD models. And you're like, huh? Yeah. We're also talking about Steamos 3.6. Yeah. Listen to this. Got 2 articles here. One from Veronix, and the other from Valve. Yeah. So you guys got some updates. That's for sure. And that should make the Steam Deck smooth sail smoothly. Anyway, let me get through this. Says here, Steamos 3.6 preview release with Linux 6.5 updates, Arch Linux, and Mesa 24.1. And says here, Valve tonight release a Steamos 3.6 preview as the latest version of their Arch Linux driver operating system that powered Steam Deck and can be installed on other devices as well. Today, Steamos 3.6 preview updates against a more recent Arch base now makes use of Linux 6.5 LTS kernel put in the newest Mesa 24.1 OpenGL/Vulkan driver support, better micro SD card support, improve Bluetooth device support, better performance and stability under memory pressure, and a variety of other improvements, which I will be reading in a minute. It says here, Steamos 3.6 preview also boasts improve display uniformity, improve display color balance, improve gamma uniformity, better responsiveness of the Steam user interface, the KDE Plasma 5.27.10 desktop is optionally available. More HDMI CEC features implement for Steam Deck and more. Yeah, you guys got some updates, that's for sure. And it says here, with the Steamos 3.6 preview, the update BIOS for Steam Deck adds overclocking controls for the Steam Deck LCD model. Fix LED blinking using during S5 suspend, adjust the power LED slow charging threshold, and other updates. And anything else? And then here are the updates. Oh yeah, we got some updates, folks. Yeah, updates. And I'm gonna read it to you. Lots of it. Okay, here we go. It says Steamos 3.6.0 preview remote control. Note, this update is for the Steam Deck preview channel, includes new features that are still being tested. You can opt into this in settings, system update channel. And here are the updates. General, update to a more recent Arch Linux base. Improve pairing experience with Apple AirPods. Improve session recovery speed after GPU crashes. Fix some connectivity failures with access points supporting WPA security. That's talking about your network settings. Right? It says update Linux kernel to version 6.5. Improve speed to subsequent OS updates. Improve reliability of certain micro SD card usage scenarios. Fix game sessions cursor offset alignment. Work around misdetection of some SanDisk micro SD cards. Fix an issue where a thin gray line could appear at the bottom of the screen during boot in some situations. Fix an issue causing temporary files to occur when using Flatpak. Enable support for Bluetooth A2DP and a BAP profile. Improve connections speed of some Bluetooth device. Improve performance and stability in memory pressure situations. Then it says fix an issue where performance overlay would spuriously enable itself under certain conditions, and add a mechanism to configure which Bluetooth device categories are allowed to wake the system from suspend or sleep. Says here by default controllers are the only devices that can wake the system from sleep. Finger grain user interface configuration option will be available as a part of the future update. That might happen in probably Steamos 3.7, 3.7. Now that was for general. Now for display. Improve display uniformity under some conditions. And what's this? Mura compensation. Improve display color balance and reduce green nit at lower brightness levels under some conditions. And then it says improve gamma uniformity, and it says yellow tint. Oh, that's what it was, tint under some conditions. Then it says that's for display. Now for graphics and performance, update graphics driver to Mesa 24.1 with many performance and correctness improvements. Improve responsiveness of the Steam user interface. Desktop modes. Update to KDE Plasma 5.27.10. Enable thumbnail preview for videos in the file browser. Fix an issue with desktop use that could cause subsequent micro SD card auto mount to fail. Now for the Steam Deck and dock now, add support for some HDMI CEC features, TV remote input, TV wake up, TV input switching. Update dock firmware with compatibility fixes for high fresh rate VRR display. And then it's for BIOS, add overclocking controls on Steam Deck LCD. Fix not being able to set the SD card as default boot device. Adjust power LED slow charging threshold. Fix spurious power LED blinking in S5. Now for development and modding, and this is for you modders. Modify files in etc. are migrated to new OS version based on a whitelist. Fix numerous issues with incidentally touch files becoming sticky and persisting unexpectedly. Additional whitelist entries can be added via fragment C slash etc slash atomic update dot config slash example. Additional keep list config add etc add that slash etc previous slash again meaning slash containing modification from the previous update to prevent unexpected data loss. And then it says up to 5 previous snapshot of slash etc notification will automatically be retained var/lib/steamos dash atomic what's this auto what's this update backup, and then it says add support for ss.sshd config fragment. Then it says known issue, fixed session switching can result in the sound driver crashing, needing a system reboot. And that's all the updates for Steamos 3.6 on the Steam Deck, and also for the laptop or desktop. So yeah, that should help out a lot, fix some things, improve some things, whether from general, whether from display, whether from the Steam Deck itself, desktop mode, BIOS, and development and modding, and known issues. So yeah, they're on it. So that should help you Steam Deck fans a little bit until the next update, which is 3.7.0. So be in a couple of months or so. So I'll keep you up to date on that. But they're on it now. Now, as far as Steam Deck 2 goes, Valve is working. They're busy. They're just not saying anything until the time is right. So they'll let us know. But right now, the Steam Deck LCD and OLED models, you guys are good. News, deals, games update, man. Yeah. So your experience on the Steam Deck should be much improved. And whatever issue you have, send it into Valve as usual, and they'll look into it. But yeah, Steam Deck is moving. We couldn't find a game the Steam Deck couldn't run. What a message. Yeah. And I just seen an article too, talking about Sony's gonna make an announcement about Assassin's Creed, not Assassin's Creed, God of War, Valhalla. That part of God of War is coming to PC, so Sony should make some announcement about that. So yeah, and go on from there. Now yesterday, the creators of Helldiver, they delist the game. The game is still not playable in 177 countries. So now they're trying to get Valve to relist it. So yeah. What a price to pay, man. Yeah. So we'll see what Valve's do, after that. But other than that, you guys are good. Now, you need all your protons. Hotfix, experimental, proton from Valve, GE proton, what's that VKD3D proton too, you need all that. The GE proton comes in handy when you're trying to run certain games like Sonic Colors, Batman Arkham Asylum, and some games that are unsupported, so yeah. But you guys are good. You need your Chai Kai 4 deck for your remote play between the PS4 Steam Deck, PS5 Steam Deck. What else? You need the what's that? Creo utility. Yeah. So, and then go on from there. So when you go into desktop mode on the Steam Deck, all those apps in the store, they're getting updates on a regular basis. So whatever app you choose to use, there's always getting updates. So if you're using the 64 gig model or the 256 or 512, you want to update your storage, to the 1 terabyte or 2, and then when all those updates come in, you won't be having a problem, and then you can like play your games and then go on from there. So yeah, but other than that, you guys are good. News, deals, games, update, the usual stuff. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Nice talking to you people again. Chris, still Star Wars, Star Trek 9 for Dark Side. Go.